Hello everyone, today we are comparing the Realme 16 and the Infinix GT60 Pro. We will compare the display, design, performance, camera, battery and price. Let's see which phone is better, so let's get started. Talking about the display, the Realme 16 feature a flexible AMOLED panel. While the Infinix GT60 Pro comes with an AMOLED display, both are great but OLED is usually considered more premium. Now let's talk about the display size. The Realme 16 comes with a 6.57-inch display, while the Infinix GT60 Pro features a larger 6.78-inch display. If you prefer a bigger screen for gaming, watching video and multitasking, the Infinix GT60 Pro takes the win in this category. Talking about the resolution, the Realme 16 features 1080 x 2372 pixel, while the Infinix GT60 Pro offers 1208 x 2644 pixel. Both display looks sharp and provide a great experience. Now let's talk about the design, starting with the dimension. The Realme 16 measure 158.30 mm in height, 75.1 mm in width and 8.1 mm in thickness. Its weight 180 gram. Lightweight for everyday use. Now let's talk about the design, starting with the dimension. The Infinix GT60 Pro measure 162.37 mm in height, 77.17 mm in width and 7.45 mm in thickness. It weighs 200 gram, making it larger and slightly heavier than the Realme 16 while also being thinner. The Realme 16 feature a 50 megapixel main camera, a 2 megapixel secondary sensor. It captures detailed photo, decent close-up, shots and perform well for everyday photography. The Infinix GT60 Pro features a 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera. It takes short photo, good landscape shot and also include an LED flash for night photography. For selfies, Realme 16 offers a 50 megapixel front camera, while Infinix GT60 Pro has a 13 megapixel front camera. The Realme 16 takes the lead in selfie camera specification. The Realme 16 comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery, while the Infinix GT60 Pro features a 6500 mAh battery. So Realme 16 offers a slightly bigger battery capacity. Both the Realme 16 the Infinix GT60 Pro features a USB Type-C charging port. The Realme 16 supports 66 watt fast charging, while the Infinix GT60 Pro supports faster 90 watt fast charging. This means the Infinix GT60 Pro can charge more quickly. Realme 16 offers both 8GB and 12GB RAM variants, whereas Infinix GT60 Pro available with 8GB RAM. Talking about storage, both the Realme 16 and the Infinix GT60 Pro are available in 128GB and 256GB variant. Both the Realme 16 and Infinix GT60 Pro come with 5G connectivity. The Realme 16 features 6.57-inch display, a MediaTek Dimensity 6400 turbo processor, up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, a 50 megapixel rear camera, a 50 megapixel front camera, and a massive 7000 mAh battery. Infinix GT60 Pro feature a 6.78-inch display, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, up to 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, a 50 megapixel dual rear camera setup, a 13 megapixel front camera, and a 6500 mAh battery. Both phones come with an on-screen fingerprint. The 8 GB plus 128 variants price at around $371, with the 8 GB plus 256 GB variants cost about $419. The 8 GB plus 128 GB variants is priced at around $395. The 8 GB plus 256 GB variants cost about $430, and the 12 GB plus 256 GB model is available for around $465. Dimension, display, camera, storage, performance. Infinix GT60 Pro and Realme 16 both are winner device. Thanks for visit.